Welcome back to Best Car Craze, your ultimate destination for the latest and most comprehensive automotive reviews. Today, we're delving into the highly anticipated 2026 Lexus RX 700h, a groundbreaking hybrid SUV that seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology, luxurious comfort, and unparalleled performance. Whether you're an eco-conscious driver or a luxury enthusiast, the RX 700h promises to redefine your driving experience. Design, bold, elegant, and aerodynamic, the 2026 RX 700h showcases a striking evolution of Lexus's signature design language. Its bold spindle grille, now more prominent and intricately detailed, commands attention from every angle. The sleek LED headlights and sculpted body lines not only enhance its visual appeal but also contribute to improved aerodynamics, ensuring a quieter and more efficient ride. Interior, a sanctuary of comfort and technology. Step inside, and you'll be enveloped in a cabin that exudes sophistication and tranquility. Premium materials such as soft-touch surfaces, genuine wood accents, and ambient lighting create an atmosphere of refined elegance. The 14-inch Lexus Interface touchscreen infotainment system serves as the command center, offering intuitive controls and seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Front seats are equipped with heating, ventilation, and massage functions, ensuring a first-class experience on every journey. Rear passengers benefit from generous legroom and a panoramic sunroof that bathes the cabin in natural light. The RX 700h's interior is a testament to Lexus's commitment to luxury and innovation. Performance, power meets efficiency under the hood. The RX 700h boasts a 3.5-liter V6 hybrid engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of 480 horsepower and 790 Nm of torque. This dynamic powertrain ensures brisk acceleration and confident overtaking maneuvers, all while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. The RX 700h features a full-time all-wheel drive system, providing enhanced traction and stability across various driving conditions. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on weekend adventures, this SUV offers a smooth and responsive driving experience. Technology, advanced features for the modern driver. The 2026 RX 700h is equipped with an array of advanced technologies designed to enhance both convenience and safety. The Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 includes features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and automatic emergency braking, providing peace of mind on every drive. The head-up display projects essential driving information onto the windshield, allowing drivers to keep their eyes on the road. Wireless charging and a Wi-Fi hotspot ensure that passengers remain connected and powered up throughout the journey. Pricing and availability. The 2026 Lexus RX 700h is expected to be available in select markets by late 2025 or early 2026. Pricing details have yet to be officially announced, but given its premium features and hybrid powertrain, it's anticipated to be positioned competitively within the luxury SUV segment. Final thoughts. The 2026 Lexus RX 700h stands as a testament to Lexus's dedication to innovation, luxury, and sustainability. With its bold design, luxurious interior, dynamic performance, and advanced technology, it sets a new benchmark in the hybrid SUV category. Whether you're seeking a vehicle that offers eco-friendly driving without compromising on luxury or one that delivers a thrilling yet efficient performance, the RX 700h is poised to exceed expectations. Stay tuned to Best Car Craze for more in-depth reviews and the latest updates on the automotive world. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.